The BOIFUN Doorbell Camera WFDB-100 offers an impressive 166-degree wide field of view, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your front porch without any blind spots. Its reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, paired with a high-speed AI chip, delivers fast and stable performance for instant alerts and enhanced security. Equipped with HDR night vision and invisible 940-nanometer infrared technology, the camera provides clear visibility up to 10 meters in all lighting conditions without any red glow. The battery life is commendable, lasting up to 60 days under optimal conditions, and can be extended with proper usage adjustments. Featuring a convenient intercom system through the BoifunCam app, you can engage in real-time monitoring and communication with visitors without needing a subscription. Installation is a breeze with its easy wireless setup, and the built-in anti-theft alarm ensures peace of mind by alerting you if the camera is tampered with.